Now let's make the capybaras orange. The orange is crocheted by starting with a magic ring. Let's start crocheting. Pick out the orange yarn. First, make a magic ring. Next, crochet a chain stitch. In the first round, crochet 8 single crochet into the magic ring. The first one. Place the stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Second. Third. The fourth. The fifth one. Sixth. The seventh. The eighth one. Eight single crochet are completed. Count to make sure there are 8 stitches in total. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. Make sure there are no gaps in the center. Finish with a slip stitch. The first round is completed. In the second round, start with 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 4 times. Crocheting for sequences will make a total of 12 stitches. For the first sequence, start with 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, make an increase stitch. The first sequence is finished. You can see 3 V shapes from the side. Crochet 1 single crochet for the second sequence. One increase stitch. Crochet 1 single crochet for the third sequence. One increase stitch. Crochet 1 single crochet for the fourth sequence. 1 increase stitch. All 4 sequences are completed. Please count carefully, there are 12 stitches in total. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. The second round is finished. The middle loop loosens. Pull the yarn tail to tighten it. The methods for crocheting the third and fourth rounds are the same. You need to crochet 2 rounds of single crochet without increasing or decreasing. Let's start the third round. Begin by crocheting 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 12 single crochet without increasing or decreasing. The first one. Mark the first stitch. Second. Third. The fourth one. Here, we crochet 4 single crochet as a demonstration. For the remaining 8 single crochet, please crochet them using the same method. 12 single crochet are completed. Finish with a slip stitch. Round 3 is finished. Please crochet round 4 using the same method. Round 4 is finished. Remove the crochet hook. Take out the cotton. Take out a small amount of cotton. Stuff the cotton into the fabric. Then tuck the yarn tail inside the fabric. For round 5, make 1 chain stitch first. Then make 6 decrease stitches. Remove the stitch marker. Press the cotton with your middle finger. This can prevent the cotton from being pulled out. Use the stitch marker to mark the first decrease. The second decrease. The third. The fourth. The fifth one. The sixth one. Six decrease stitches are finished. Please count to make sure there are 6 stitches in total. Finally, crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 5 is finished. Leave an 8-inch yarn tail for sewing. Cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail through. Take out the longer sewing needle. Thread the yarn onto the sewing needle. Pick up the front loops of the last round to close. First stitch. Remove the stitch marker. Second stitch. The third stitch. Fourth stitch. Fifth stitch. Sixth stitch. Pull the yarn to close. Leave this yarn tail for later sewing. The main part of the orange is now completed. Now let's make the leaf. The leaf will be crocheted by starting with a chain stitch foundation. Next, let's start making it. Take out the green yarn. First, make a slip knot. Pinch the yarn tail with your right hand. Place the yarn in the palm of your left hand. Wrap the yarn once around your left hand's index, middle and ring fingers. Pinch the crossing point of the yarn with your thumb. Take the loop off your hand. Pass your right hand's thumb and index finger from the right side of the loop to the left side. Pinch the working yarn, which is the yarn connected to the yarn ball. Pinch the yarn tail with your left hand and pull the yarn. And just like that, you've made a slip knot. Pull the working yarn to adjust the size of the loop. Take out the crochet hook and place the loop onto the hook. Pull the working yarn to adjust the size of the loop. Leave some space between the slip knot and the crochet hook. The loop can move freely on the crochet hook. Hold the yarn on hand. Place the yarn tail under the crochet hook. Hold the slip knot with your thumb and middle finger. Crochet for chain stitches first. Yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on the crochet hook. The first chain stitch is completed. The second one. From the side, you can see the V shapes. The third one. From the side you can see 3 V shapes. The fourth one. From the side, you can see 4 V shapes. Then we will crochet on the back bumps. Flip to the back side of the V shapes. This side has many horizontal lines. These horizontal lines are the back bumps of the chain. Start crocheting from the second to last back bump. Start counting from the side closest to the crochet hook. Begin crocheting here. First, make a slip stitch. Insert the crochet hook inside this back bump. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop on the hook. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Pull the left loop through the right loop on hook. A slip stitch is completed. From the side view, it looks like a V shape. Mark it with a stitch marker. Next, crochet a single crochet, insert the hook into the next back bump. Yarn over and pull through the first loop on the crochet hook. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is completed. Next, crochet a slip stitch. Insert hook through the last back bump. Yarn over and pull through the first loop on the crochet hook. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Pull the left loop through the right loop on hook. The slip stitch is completed. The first round is finished. Leave an 8-inch yarn tail for sewing. Uncut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail through. Remove the stitch marker. The leaf is now finished.